Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the GUTA tire pressure monitoring system. This is designed for caravans, RVs, trucks, and trailers. This is clear, visible, and audible alerts for puncture, low pressure, high pressure, overheating, and fast leakage. Here on the side, we have some more features. You can see it has real-time display of tire pressure and temperature, external cap sensor for easy installation, light, compact, and anti-theft and water-resistant sensors. 3 to 4 years for the sensor battery life, and battery is replaceable. Then you have accurate pressure reading, pressure range of 0 to 188 psi, receiving data while parking. Then you have large size LCD display of pressure and temperature, long receiving distance, hide and unhide tractor or trailer data, maximum 24 tires including 2 spares, which is great. On the back here, you can see that we have the wireless tire pressure monitoring system, and this is the monitor. So we have 2 monitors here. So system components monitor GT1071 and GT1072, and then you have accessories, the SQ sensors, the rubber O-rings, hex nuts. We have the wrench and the TM520 signal booster. So 4 or 6 or 8, 12 sensors, rubber rings. Okay, anyway, we have the monitor optional. So we have the first one, this one right here, and then we have 4 sensors here. So let's go ahead and unbox this product and see what we have inside. So it looks like we have the SQ's sensor installation guide here. Then here we have the tire pressure monitoring system quick installation guide. Here we have the user guide. Pretty sure it'll go over all the functions and the details that we need to know. And then over here, let's go ahead and take this off. Looks like we have our digital screen right here with code set plus or minus button. We have like a little antenna here, on and off button, something to slide onto. This is a power port where you would plug it in. Then we have our sensors. I guess it doesn't really matter where you put them since these are not coated. So we have 4 of these. They're nice and heavy. And then here we have the suction. This goes right on your windshield, and you would have this just go right in here. So I'll show that to you guys, just like that. Okay. And then here we have the hex screws and the rubber O-rings. Over here we have mini wrench, and then we have the USB cable to charge your monitor. And open this up. Here we have some screws. Not sure what we would screw this into. Let's take a look. Then this is stickers. Not sure where this would go, but I guess you would hang it up somewhere on your RV. But let's go ahead and look at this, turn on the monitor and go over some of the features. So to turn this on, you have this power on and off button. So go ahead and just slide this up and the screen will come on. And over here we have the code button, we have the settings button, we have the increase button and the decrease button. And then I mentioned we have the antenna here and the USB-C port on the side right over here. So right now our power level is full, as you can see from the battery. So here in the user manual, we have some icons that you guys should be aware of. The tire icon, Fahrenheit and Celsius, bar PCI, pressure alert icon. Then we have the sensor low battery, monitor battery voltage, high temperature alert, and repeater indicator. So now let's go ahead and show you guys how to get the actual sensors programmed with this monitor. So what you want to do, once you have this turned on, press and hold the code button until you hear the beep, and then you will see the tire icon flashing. So you can move it by pressing plus or minus. So let's say I want to get this one connected with this sensor. So what I do is, since this is flashing, I will go ahead and click the code button, and then you will see a red LED light flashing on the side. And once it's connected, then it will go ahead and give you a beep that it's connected. You can see the light flashing now, and keep it close to the code button. So you can see that now it actually got connected to this one. So I'll put this one to the side, go ahead and press my plus button to go to the next one. And I'm gonna go ahead and press this code button again. And now it's connected. So as soon as you plug these 4 sensors into your tire, they should automatically start sensing what the PSI is. So whenever you are trying to, let's say, inflate your tire, you would have to follow the same process as getting the sensors connected. So if you go ahead and look at this, if I keep pressing on the code button, then it will go to FF. So let's say you see that tire blinking, and then you press the code button again and go ahead and start inflating it. So that way it will beep and then sense that, okay, this is the tire that you're working on. Now, these tire sensors that you have, one sensor could only be programmed to one tire icon. If a sensor is programmed twice or more times on different tires, the monitor will memorize the latest one, the latest tire location that you have set. So, press the plus and minus button at the same time to stop programming and return to standby mode without storing the settings. And if you need to delete single sensor ID code for all sensors ID, please refer to the instructions manual. To set your system parameters, go ahead and press and hold the set button for 3 seconds until you hear the beep. And then you will see it's blinking. So we have PSI. So if you do plus or minus, you can do PSI or bar. And if you press it again, then you have Fahrenheit. So you could do Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then I press this again. Then it will go to your high temperature of 194. And then your PSI 131. You can go up and down here. And you set this up for every single tire that you have, as well as your spare tire. And that's it. That's how you program it. So after you remove the nozzle cover, go ahead and screw in the hex nut. Then right over the hex nut, go ahead and screw in your sensor. make sure it's nice and tight. Once you have installed all the sensors, you can see the monitor going and scanning through every single tire to show you what the PSI of each tire is and also what the temperature of each tire is. Now this is very easy to install. Just follow the instructions and you should be good to go. This is also wireless and I love the fact that it has a big screen. So if you have an older vehicle, this product is a must have. So hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you for watching my review. See you guys next time.